In this video, I'll be showing you how you can make a group or make a space on Google Chats. Very much simple and easy. So what you need to do is just launch your app like this. To make a group or space, you tap on the plus button here. Good. And you can see create a space here, just like a group. You tap on the create a space, you give the space a name. So let's say K-Brother Family. Yeah, and we add something like this. We add an emoji, and let's add a love, something like this. And now we tap on the create to create it. Good. And now it's been created, so we can add members and all that, invite members through links and all that here. So we can also add another AI apps and all that too as well. So let's just open that here. Good. You can tap on the pencil button here to edit your space name or your group's name and everything. Let's add a description. So the description should be www.youtube. Let's add a link to our channel.com. Now we add a slash at K-Brother Tech. Yeah. And then guidelines. Let's all be kind and polite. And we have that here, so we save. Good. That's the details for the space or the group, anyhow you call it. Now let's come back here, and you can see we can add apps, we can add members too as well. So you just tap on the add members, and you can add members. You can also find the people you've invited here too as well. I'm going to show you. Good. And shared media, so any media you share in the group, you're going to find them here. Good. And you can also turn off history, and you can also turn on history in the group. Yeah. And now you can see this is a group link. You copy it. Now let me come back here, and you can see in the group, let me try to paste the link there for you guys to see the link. Sorry. Yeah. So now I sent that in the group, and you can see there's the link to the group. Yeah. Or the space or the room, anyhow you call it. And you can pin your group too as well. Yeah. You can do a lot of notifications. You can edit your notifications. You can leave. You can delete the whole space or the group. Yeah. Very, very simple and easy. So I think I've talked about everything about creating a group on Google Chats, and you can also add an AI app. So you can see this is K-Brother Avenue. I've added the app here, that's the AI transcribe. So let me come back and show you guys how to do that. So you just tap on that here. You can see the apps here. Any of the apps here, let's just tap on this. You just add the app, you install it, and you're good to go. I'm not going to do that. This is just for tutorial. So that's it on how you create or you make a group or space on Google Chats. If you are new here, give me a like and subscribe to my channel. Peace.